let me just say this. You want a blog that you can customize really quickly, that you can send as a newsletter and get paid for it, then Ghost is for you. This is the next Coolify service we'll be self-hosting, and it will look like this with a ton of configuration options, quick to set up. So without further ado, let's go into Coolify, hit add a new project, call it Ghost Tutorial. Select the production environment, hit add a new resource, search for Ghost, select the server, and we are almost done. I'm just going to rename the service name to Ghost Tutorial, and also the same for the domain name. So I'm going to shorten it to Ghost. And we're ready to deploy now. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And as you can see here, I did not set up the email configuration. You should go ahead and do that with Mailgun. I think that's the recommended service. You could try with another SMTP host, but just know that Mailgun is the one that is suggested on Ghost. But I'm not sure if it makes any difference. So we're going to wait here for it to be healthy. And once it's healthy, we'll visit the URL. And there we go. The URL is healthy now. So we are going to enter it in. But hold on, just like WordPress, if you want to go to the admin portal, you need to add something to the URL. So here we're going to have to add /ghost. So let's go ahead and do that. And now enter in some details to get started. So I'm ready to go now. I'm going to go ahead and click create account. So now we're in our Ghost CMS. And as you can see, we get this sleek UI, very simple and quick to get set up. The first thing that you're going to want to do is customize your design and create your first post. So let's go ahead and click customize design so you can get a feel of what you're going to get. You can change a bunch of different things. You can add your logo, change the cover that's used as the image. You can change the typography of the entire website and change the theme. We're not going to mess with that right now. Then you can create your first post, my first post. You can use / to use different field options. I'm just going to write first content. You can also add a feature image on there. And then you can hit publish. As you can see here, you can't actually send it to an email because you don't have any members yet. So to simulate that, if you wanted to test, you would hit on add members here, or you can go to the members tab. And there's a neat feature here where you can add yourself as a member just to test. They've really thought it through in terms of the user itself. And as a user, you want things to be simple for you to test. And so being able to have this button here that you can click that then immediately adds you as a user, I think it's just another example of amazing UX. So we're going to go back into the posts, go back into this draft post. And so now you can see that the message has been updated. It now says set up Mailgun to start sending newsletters. And we're not actually going to set it up in this tutorial, but it's fairly simple to set up if you've ever used Mailgun before. So I'm going to go ahead and click continue and publish post. And so now we have 2 posts, and it shows you this card here that you can click to view the post. Again, great UX. We're just going to click on the post itself to view it, and it opens it up in a new tab. The last thing I'm going to show you is how to add payments, and that's done through Stripe. And so this is so that you can set up tiers for your newsletter, or if you want to have some paid posts for your blog, you would add it in the settings. So you go in the settings and you can search tiers, you can search Stripe, anything related to membership, and it will bring you here. And then you connect your Stripe account and you can create some new tiers. So that's going to be it for this video. And as you can see, I really did enjoy using Ghost, and I think you will too. So that's how you self-host it and get started really quickly. With that, I will see you in the next video.